Maayong adlaw mga kaisan and freedom board, ako na sading inyong makaduyog karon para basahon ang usa ka confession. Unmoved. This is very long and it honestly took me a lot of courage to finally speak about this. Please do not tag if you ever know me or her. It is not my intention to cause any trouble. I just want to let this out for the first and last time. Some years ago, I was in a relationship for almost 3 years. Nagkakami after graduation sa college. People call us the ideal couple. Kanang tipong graduate na ay work ug arangan pod og status sa life. We are open to both of our families and makaingon gyud tanang tao nga kami na gyud ang magdayon. Pero this all changed when I got into an accident. If nakabalita mo atong car accident somewhere sa north few years ago, I was the driver. The last thing I remembered kay na ako'y nasugatan nga truck and wa ko'y choice but to turn the car ug nahulog ko sa dulhugon. The next thing I knew na anak ko sa hospital and I do not remember things clearly. My girlfriend that time was holding my hand when I woke up pero nalisang ko kay wa ko kaila niya. Kinsa man ka. Pinasyagit na ako nga ingon pero mingtubag lang siya og di. Nidol akong mama sa ako unya gihag ko nga gahilak. Didto ra ko kabantay nga hubag ilang mga mata hinilak including my girlfriend. Pero kay lagi wa ko kaila niya, wa ra nako siya tagda. Instead, akong gipangita akong ex. As far as I can remember, kami ang uyab sa akong ex-girlfriend. Confused and obviously nasakitan gyud akong girlfriend ato but sige ko ingon asa si Elma. Sila tanan galibog na unsa ko. Niingon akong mama nga dugay ra daw ming buwag ni El pero wa ko motuo og padayon kog pangita niya. I found out I was in a coma for 3 weeks. And miingon ang doctor nga temporary na daw akong condition but it actually took almost a year before ko na fully recovered. My girlfriend was in the hospital every day. Iya kong pakanon pero di ko mustorya niya kay akong gipangita si Elgyot. Every time mo abot siya magpatulog-tulog ko hangtod mula ko siya balik. If mustorya siya nako, short answers ra akong ihatag. Wa ko'y batasan pero patient kaayo siya sa ako. One time, gaslice ko prutas unya iyaha unta kong hungitan. Di man gid ko munganga. Iya na lang gibilin dayon ako ra gihapong gipasagdaan. Wa gyud nako tanduga. Kanang makamata ko nga gakupot siya sa akong kamot while natulog siya, akong buwion akong kamot unya magbukot ko. I never had any idea how I love this girl. Nibisita si Elle sa hospital and happy kaayo ko. I couldn't imagine unsa kasakit ang na-feel sa akong girlfriend siguro that time nga dako kaayo kong smile pagkakita ni Elle. While siya, dili lagid nako pansinon. Elle talked about how we broke up. Wala ko mutuo kay akong gi-insist nga love kaayo nako siya. Naghilak na ko ato while secretly akong uyab kahilak po di ay. To cut this short, my girlfriend had too much sa akong pagka-insensitive. I didn't given her the chance nga maila-ila ko. While Elle had moved on and is already in our relationship. Di ko ka-describe kung giunsa nako napasakitan akong girlfriend and I could not blame her kung nag-give up siya. The 3 happy years na wala ra but wala ra nako na feel kay wala man ko'y nahinumduman. We are good friends now though. She is married to our college colleague, one of our close friends, ug makita nako kung unsa siya kamalipayon. I have no any intentions why I made this confession but to plainly express things I failed to do in the past. First, the moment you both invited me to your wedding, I never tell anyone that I remember everything, even my family. I remember us and the dreams we hope to achieve together. I remember our plans of getting married in a garden with a very rare motif. Now I do not know which hurts more, losing all those dreams or seeing you fulfill them with someone else. I still question ngano sa atua man to nahitabo. It was very unfair. What could a mere human fight against fate? And wa man ko hatagig chance nga mabawi ka. What sucks most is that I do not know what to blame for losing you or who to blame for losing you. I'm stuck here with all the regrets out from the mistakes I did because I did not know. I still love you, but I know you are settled now. I am just silently hoping nga the next time I get into an accident, I could totally forget you kaysa ako ang situation ron, imposible gyud kaayo. Your engineer, USC alumni. Og mao kana ang ating confession karong adlaw mga UCnian Freedom Board. Salamat sa pagpaminaw. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.